Ikinya ria mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Keriako Tobiko kuri ruhonge rwa ugacira ruthuthuria gitumi kia atongoria a mungithaniro kuga ni makagomera githurano gia gucokerwo ndigathirio ni mubunge wa Kieni Kanini Kega akiuga kiria NASA irongoreirie ni ngui iria augite cia gucokia bururi na thutha na njira nene. Nona gukire uguo atongoria a NASA ni mameneire ikinya ria Tobiko. Riu Moses Wetangula akiuga Tobiko afatie kwihuga muno wira-ini wake na makiria megie NASA. Oho no agithitie kiene mwerekero wa kamiti ya NCIC iguru wa kwenda murugamiri wa atumia Gladys Wanga adikirie riboti igie mĩario ya ucogeri.
If the playing field remains bumpy with the referees playing against us, then we will make sure there's no election in the country. And that is not a criminal offense. That is an opinion, and that is a position anybody in this country can take. And we want to tell you, Wana DPP, I know you are a very good man. Don't banter into the pressure from these Jubilee fellows.
Mwena-ini ungi Minister wa utabarukio wa mahinya Mwangi Kĩonjũrĩ niameneirie mabaruthi ya mabũrũri ma rũraya gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ aria meriga kuga mawatho ma kũramata ithurano matibatie ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ. Kĩonjũrĩ akiuga matibatie kũingĩrĩra gatiba ya bũrũri kuona mawatho maya morotereirie kũhatũra bũrũri ũyũ kumana na njũkanĩro ingĩcũngĩrĩrio nĩ ithurano.
It can be taken if it's a good advice, we are going to listen to it. But this country, as I said once again, we have a parliament, we have institutions, and these institutions, you can only criticize these institutions if they are acting contrary to the laid laws and the constitution of this country. That is their concern, it's okay. But by the end of the day, you cannot stop institutions discharging their mandate.
Na macio magithiaga na mbere Minister wa weji wa mahiga ma goro Dan Kazungu niokire mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga akiuga kiria akoragwo na bata nakio gicua-ini no darasha ya kumuringia utongoria-ini no ti kuguna aikari ya guku. Kazungu augite Raila akoretwo akimahenia kuoneria mutongoria wa megie watho ngwatanĩro-ini no ya NASA James Orengo ari Minister wa migunda gutiri kihonia areheire aikari ya guku.
Nyinyi watu wa Magarini hamna mashamba, nyinyi watu wa Magarini hamna barabara. Wait a minute. Nani alikuwa waziri wa mashamba hapa kwa miaka 5? Si ndio Orengo? Si ndio? So wewe Raila Odinga, waziri wako wa mashamba alikuwa ni Orengo. Kwa nini hakututatua shida yetu ya mashamba huku Magarini?
Girifotera Kameme TV ni jitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.